What is going on, everybody?
I'm back.
My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down the hot trending stocks using technical analysis to put you at an advantage at the market. Today's ticker symbol that we're diving into is NIO or NIO. We're going to be diving into the fundamentals and then, of course, the technicals on this stock to see if it is a good buy or not. So I'm sure a lot of you guys just got stimulated this weekend.
Oh, shit. Pandemic, more like pandem rich.
So if this is you guys, if you're trying to just jump into the market right now and you're all excited, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button, guys. It really helps me out a lot, and I can keep you guys updated on the hot trendy stocks so you guys can be looking into. I am not a guru. I don't do this to make money, guys. I do this to have fun and spread the word so you guys can make money also. But it really helps me out a lot, guys, if you guys can subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 so I can do videos every single day for you guys. That would be just a dream of mine. So if you guys could just do that for me, that'd be great. Thank you so much. Guys, so let's just dive right in. So I have the chart already pulled up. I have my graphs already set up too. If you guys want to learn how to put these and find these, I'll make another video if you guys want me to. Just leave a comment below. So our first line that I have right here is just to show me that we are currently in a downtrend. And you see how none of these candlesticks break above this line that I set. So that is a clear downtrend that we have here. And I'm also on the daily chart, guys. You always want to start from a higher time frame and then break down to a smaller time frame. You can start from the weekly to the daily to the 30-minute to the 5-minute to the 1-minute. And what this allows you to do is basically break down from a higher time frame to show the overall direction and to kind of see where you're at. And then once you start breaking down to smaller intervals, that's when you're using individual candlesticks to find an entry in your target and stop loss and etc. So this line that I have right here shows that we are in a clear downtrend. So that is the overall picture to start with, to find what direction are we in. Are we in an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation, not breaking any highs or lows? So we can clearly see that we are in a downtrend, right? So now we identified what trend that we're in. Let's find our support and resistance lines. So our support line is always going to be the lowest point that's been tested multiple times. So this line right here, the $41 area, I have my line here to show that this is our major support area. So usually when it bounces or hits our support area, it usually bounces or comes up and retests that area and fails. So we can use this to our advantage.
Nice.
So we know that this is our support, and usually you can test a support area if it's been tested more than 3 times. So if we have our candlesticks right here, we can see that we've been testing in this area. We have a peekaboo through here, still testing in this area, this candle right here. We move along to the right. We have a candlestick that literally hits this area, bounces up, comes up, and then comes back down, tests this area, comes down, breaks through our support, comes up, and now here we are now. So we found our support. We found the area that is more than likely to bounce from. Now we need to find our resistance, which would probably work as our next target if you're doing our core trade. Since I'm on the daily, this would be something that you would buy and hold until it hits your target, and then also using stop loss, so you guys are protecting your account portfolio. So you also need money management in this business. You cannot just buy and hold, which you can, but you're putting yourself more at risk. So usually I day trade, but for this specific stock and the pattern that I see, I would use this as a core trade. So since I am on the daily chart, we see that it has broken our trend line. See, we were going down, but we came down here, broke past our trend line. So what we're looking for, since we're breaking new highs, it shows that the bulls are stepping up. So basically buyers are in charge at this moment. So what we're looking for is for this to come down and retest our support area around 41, right? So if you were to buy an entry, it would be around in this area. Have your stop loss below the lowest point. I wouldn't put it below the 31 because that's just one candlestick that kind of stretched way down here. So personally, I would put it right below the most tested area, which would be right below $40. And then your entry around the 41 or $42 area. And then obviously your target being the next highest point, if you're doing a core trade and you plan on holding, would be around the $66 area. So I mean that's a huge profit right there if you're if it just comes back and hits that area. So what we're looking for is to retest in this area. If it retests this area, put your entry in this area and then your stop loss right below the $40 area. So that way you're protecting your portfolio, and if it does tag you in and it continues higher, you can just kind of ride the momentum all the way back up to our previous highest point, which is $66, guys. And overall, NIO is like a Tesla to me because of how fast and their growth has expanded. Once they expand out to other foreign countries like Europe and the US, I can see the stock going over $300 easy. I wouldn't say maybe matching with Tesla, but it could definitely have the potential of getting to that, as the years come along. So as of right now, I would say that this is a good buy. I would just wait for a clear entry point. So getting in right now, it's showing small signs of it coming down and retesting our support, which would be the $41 or $40 area. But other than that, guys, I just wanted to show you guys that as of right now, I think NIO is a good buy. This is for entertainment purposes only. You guys always use technical analysis and make the right decisions. And I really appreciate you guys watching. If you guys would like more videos where I can break down these charts to explain to you what exactly is that you're looking at, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a beautiful day.
I'll be back.